Hi there, I am Darren McCosker and today I'm showing you through 15A Hillside Drive in Daisy Hill. Set on 1,474 square metres of level ground, this beautiful 4-bedroom plus study, 2-bathroom, multiple living areas indoors and out, including this magnificent al-fresco area. This property is truly a delight to present to the market. So come with us as we take a look around. So thanks again for taking the time to look through this absolutely beautiful property. On behalf of all of my team and myself, we look forward to showing you through the home in person, and most importantly, we look forward to seeing you at the auction.